Portuguese sausage and onions is almost done. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow, unless I do a lot of nighttime fishing, which I probably won't because there's a lot of scorpions around here and they come out at night. So I'll do a little bit of nighttime fishing and then wake up early and try to catch breakfast. But that triggerfish was enough, you know. I come down here, do a little bit of fishing, camping, as long as I catch something, right? I don't have to eat it. I bring a little bit of food, just in case I don't catch anything. Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for watching. I know I haven't done a video in over a year. I'm gonna get back at it. Just been super busy. And wow, what kind of world are we living in right now? Frying pan into the fire action going on. Wow, it's kind of scary and exciting at the same time. The mosquitoes are out and about, and it's springtime, and I'm doing lots of work on my homestead. It's been raining here for like 2 weeks. As you can tell, there's lots of work to be done around the homestead. And yeah, so now in this video, I needed a break from the past couple years. Oh, and I wanted to thank my viewers. You guys are awesome. A couple years ago, I did a video and I was kind of towing the mainstream media line, but my viewers set me on the right track. And yeah, it looks like the Rona most likely came from a research facility. So yeah, I was on the wrong track in the beginning, and my viewers set me straight. I have some really smart viewers, smarter than me for sure, definitely. So thank you for that. You guys know who you are. It's just so, I'm literally in a Tom Clancy novel. It's like Orwellian Tom Clancy, Brave New World. It's just wow. It's out there. It's really out there. So in this video, I did a stealth camping trip in Hawaii. On this side of the island, it's rainy and wet and jungly, and there's other parts of the island. I'm not going to show you where it is. This is stealth camping, and I want to give away the secret spot because this is a great spot for the locals to go to, and it's just a beautiful spot. Stealth camping in my SUV. Wow, I needed this vacation. Enjoy the video. What do you think of this campsite? Pretty cool? Yeah? Is this the spot? Yeah? Let me get you a better view. Yeah. I think this is the spot. And there's plenty of fish out there. So I'm gonna get some dinner and get fishing. Put the bread on the end of the hook. Oh yeah, they're right on it. Got one. Got one. Yep. Yep. Got a big one. There we go. There we go. Woo! It's a triggerfish. Cool. Well, first fish of the day. So beautiful. Wow. But you you gotta watch out. They got spikes and stuff. That trigger, whoa! He's trying to shit all over me. Poop all over me. Oh my god, look at him. Pooped everywhere. Okay, well, I'm gonna let him go. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Yeah, there he goes. Swims off. Cool. Okay, let's get another one. See what else we can get. Portuguese sausage. We can't have fires right now. Extreme fire risk. So I brought my little butane stove and I'm gonna have some Portuguese sausage. Probably have some coffee and then do some night fishing. Maybe get some bocce. And onions. I eat vegetables. Don't get me wrong, I eat vegetables. Onions are a vegetable. I got a tow on the dunking rig. I'm going to put it back out there and probably get some more of these. These are invasive species, so I want to kill it and get it off the reef. Tow. They're notorious for spiking you and beautiful little fish. Beautiful fish. We'll get some more of these. Maybe some napachi later. But this will be good pan fried. It's an invasive species, so I got to get it off the reef. We don't want them here on the reef. Okay. I'm up. Pretty comfortable if I don't say so myself. Now I just have to let out the air. It's the easy part. Come on. There we go.
What a cool little sea cave. Cool. This tree. Yeah, this is the campsite. This is a
Beautiful campsite. Yeah. Awesome campsite. Stealth camping. I think I might have gotten sunburned. Oh, this place is super hot, deserty. I was just talking about being sunburnt, and I found some aloe vera. So I'm gonna take a couple of these, and this will be really nice because I am sunburnt. I just found it driving back to the road because this place is hot and I want to go to another spot for some better fishing. I think I'm gonna grab this trash right here. It looks like people do like a dump, like a green waste dump right here, and there's this aloe vera growing, so that's perfect for sunburn. Whew, it's hot today in Kona. Whew.